Welcome back to Food Technology with Mrs. Tung and Miss Allen. This lesson is all about food labelling and being able to understand the information on the back of a food packet and to be able to use that to make healthy choices in the foods that we eat and buy from the shops. So if we look at our learning objectives, the basic level 1, which you will all be able to do and have a go at, is to evaluate the information on food packaging. There's a very simple worksheet with some questions, and there are some information sheets to go with that. For a higher grade, for competent, that's your grade 5 to 6, I'm looking for more describing and explaining. There are extra tasks to do in that part as well, so I'm looking for more detail in your work. And for confident, so that's your grades 6 to 7 plus, you've got quite a few more research tasks, so I'm looking for lots of depth and detail in your understanding of the task and being able to apply that to the extension tasks that go with this video. This all ties into the Eatwell guide, which is the government guideline of how to eat healthily, and you'll see that it's divided into 5 sections. The 2 largest sections, green and yellow. The green is fruit and vegetables, that's all your vitamins and minerals and fibre. The yellow section is carbohydrates for energy. Your pink is protein with your meat and eggs and fish. Blue is your dairy and cheese and milk. And fats is still in there. It's a very small amount, but it is essential, so we have that in there to represent the fat content. You've got water on the corner, 6 to 8 cups a day, and sugar and sweets and crisps are also in there, but we have them less often and in small amounts, so that all ties in to eating healthily, and that's proportion, not every single meal, but over a day or over a couple of days you should be proportioning your meals in that sort of section. So today's lesson is all about food labelling. That's a picture of a packet of soup, so you can see it's colour coded. Some sections are in green and some sections are in red, and your worksheets will explain to you, or you'll be finding out why some things are in green and some things are in red. So let's go through the tasks that we have today. Your first worksheet, the main one, the basic grade 1, is your food label one. Worksheet 5, food and allergens label. So this is the sheet that you need to fill in and upload and send back to me or Miss Allen. So we've got question 1, explain why food labels are required on some food. It's also got legal labelling requirements, and we've got allergens. So to answer these questions, there are 2 worksheets you will need to find. Week 5, food labelling information sheet. So that will give you the information for the first part of that worksheet. I'm looking for you to be able to pick out the information and apply it and put it into your own words. The allergen information you will find on the top part of this sheet. Okay, so you need the top part of that sheet to be able to answer those questions. Underneath, if you are looking for competent or confident grades, there are some extra tasks. So if you're looking for competent, I would have a go at task number 1. So identify the allergens in the following recipes. So use that information above to answer that question. And for confident, or as an extension, you've also got another task 2 at the base. So if you can upload those onto a Word document, me and Miss Allen can feed back to you on those. For confident grades, if you found this work really easy, there are 2 extra tasks for you to do. So there is this one, compare the label. This takes you to a food website, so you need to analyse different types of food and work out which type of food is healthier and what proportions of fat and sugar and salt they have got in them. So that's one extension task. And the other one, high, medium or low, is also a similar sort of task. They do get more difficult as you go through, so have a go at the ones that you can do, but the basic grade ones, everybody, all of you should be able to do this one. So have a go, save your works, upload them and me and Miss Allen will feed back to you. Have a go and good luck.